Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be unboxing these custom sneakers. So these are the custom sneakers. They have my name on it too, and that's my company logo. So let's see how these work.
To order this, go on to www.patriotickicks.com. Use your style. There are different colors and patterns. You can customize your name and logo, and just add it to cart to buy. Before buying, don't forget to use our code PALSFamily30 to avail 30% off your purchase.
This is a perfect gift for your family and friends. If you give a gift with their name on it, they'll be so happy, like this. This is a website to buy these shoes. If you join their Facebook page, you get a $10 discount.